Hi everyone, excited. We want to know the difference between GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels. Which software is best for your business based on the need that you have for your business? And in this video, I'm going to decode everything step by step so that I can help you make a better decision in choosing the right platform, the right tool for your growing business. Make sure that you watch the video till the end because I'll also give my personal recommendations, and that will be based on the facts and based on my hands on experience working myself on both these tools, as well as having clients working on both these tools, right? And also, who am I to talk about these two tools? Just go to pritampata.com. You will be able to see what we do as a business. We design premium funnels and websites for our clients across the globe. We have served with some of the big clients across the globe with 6 and 7 and 8 figure businesses, and we eventually have helped them create great results, and that's the reason why they keep coming back to us. Okay, so we'll come to a high level at the end, but we'll start with ClickFunnels. So as you might know, a lot of people have been using ClickFunnels for a very long time. ClickFunnels and Russell Brunson are a brand, and they have been promoting this tool from a very long period of time. ClickFunnels eventually launched as the ClickFunnels Classic, which is now the new name about it. And once the ClickFunnels Classic was launched, it basically provided simple funnel designing and funnel building software, right? It also had some uh, email work also, but at the same time, it was more focused on the funnel building tool because most of the people were using Active Campaign in order to do all their email marketing services, right? So, and I think after before 2 years ago, 2 years ago, these people launched ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, what's the unique thing about 2.0 is ClickFunnels 2.0 was really hyped up, but it didn't come to the expectations initially. But I think they have improved a bit as of now. ClickFunnels 2.0 basically provides a lot of services, a lot of functionalities as a SaaS. Whether you want to build sales funnels, website, online courses, email, analytics, landing pages. I mean, you can see there's a lot of things that is coming, and even they're going to have e-commerce too. However, the problem that I have heard from many of my clients, as well as people who are funnel builders, who are marketers and agencies using this tool, is that it's glitchy, right? It is not performing up to the mark at this point of time, and due to these glitches and problems, people are leaving this platform, which I find is okay and justified because people and marketers need to choose what is best for their business. But at the same time, they are free to move around depending on what is going to work, what is working as of now, right? But let's go into the pricing section to understand more about their pricing plans. So choose your plan, and they give you a 14-day free trial, which is great. So they basically have 3 tier plans, right? And which is $127 per month. Okay, let me go to monthly plans to be able to better understand, because I believe most of the people are going to use the monthly plan and want to check out that whether this tool is going to be the best suited for their business or not. So 147 per month, what do you get? You get to build one website. By the way, websites were not available earlier, but now you have one website, and in the ClickFunnels 2.0, which is great. So you have one website, you have a limitation of 20 funnels, you can only have 3 users, and you can only have one domain. So what do we do if we need more than one domain? We need to move to the pro plan, which is 197. Okay. Then we have a limitation of 10,000 contacts. However, there are unlimited courses, unlimited workflows, unlimited pages. So basically, you can have 20 funnels with unlimited pages, or one website with unlimited pages, which is nice. Unlimited products, unlimited email sequences. That's nice. You have share funnels, analytics, and CF1 maintenance mode plan. What is CF1 maintenance mode plan? So a lot of us who used to build funnels in ClickFunnels Classic, the old version, we had a lot of funnels in there, right? And we probably spent tens of thousands of dollars building those funnels for our clients, for ourselves. But you cannot move these funnels to ClickFunnels 2.0, which is not really a good thing, because all these businesses have to now spend again thousands of dollars to recreate them in ClickFunnels 2.0, because ClickFunnels 1.0 can get under maintenance program. And we understand from a business point of view, ClickFunnels 1.0 will be degraded with time, right? However, if you go to the pro plan, you get to have 100 funnels, which is what they are focusing on. 5 users, that's again very less, and you only have to have 3 domains. What if I have a business in multiple domains? You cannot work multiple offers. You cannot work in there because three domains is too, I mean, too less to work on these. And then only 25,000 contacts. What if I want to get the ClickFunnels to Comma Club award and I need more than 25,000 contacts? I definitely need to switch to 297 plan. But everything else is unlimited and they also give you the API access, right? Let's go to the most, I guess, value for money, I would say, because I mean, it's still restricted, but it's still better, right? So basically, to start it with 147, you now almost pay double the price, and we're doubling the price. You get to have three websites for your business, unlimited funnels, 15 users, nine domains, and I mean, 200,000 contacts, and everything is unlimited in this case. Cool. But I guess based on the pricing, what it was earlier, it's a bit steep, and but at the same time, they're providing so many of these functionalities, which is fine. So that's about ClickFunnels pricing plan, guys. Let's move to the Go High Level, right? Because Go High Level have not changed their pricing plans, unlike ClickFunnels. And whatever version they are providing, you can use the same version without having any problem, right? So let's move to Go High Level. Now, Go High Level is that tool that basically I started with both these tools initially, and then we now focus on Go High Level only. And for the reason being is very simple, right? Go High Level is not only affordable, is also the most value for money, has a lot less glitches, and churns out multiple versions of their products and their features basically on a repetitive basis, right? At the same time, you will be able to find that this is very cost effective, and they have a bunch of tools that you actually need in your marketing agency or to promote your business, which is freaking amazing, right? They also give you 14-day free trial like ClickFunnels, right? And you can just come to this link. I have actually put down the link below. So that's my affiliate link. So make sure that you click on this to want to support the channel. That will be actually a lot of help for me. And if you join through my affiliate link, you will be getting some amazing funnels from me for free, right? Okay, so what they basically do is they basically combine everything that you need as a business in terms of tools from starting to end, and then everything is in there in one dashboard, which is freaking amazing, right? I just want to take you to the comparison charts that I can show it to you. Cool. So we're actually now in the comparison section, right, where you will be able to see that what features are they replacing, what tools are they replacing, and what it would have cost, right? Whether it's CRM, like a lot of people use HubSpot, right? And HubSpot is pretty expensive. But that's okay for the businesses that are making a lot of money. But for those businesses who are not making a lot of money, cannot go for HubSpot or Salesforce. These are expensive. Unlimited sales funnels, right? Like one of these ClickFunnels, it costs a lot. And then your website builders like Wix, WordPress, Squarespace. I myself use Wix and WordPress. Survey and forms. Again, I'll let you know that this is super important because surveys and forms also need to have conditional logic so that you can qualify a lead or you can continue the lead to go through the funnel, right? Email marketing campaigns, I mean, Active Campaign, MailChimp, and all of these are pretty expensive, right? Two-way SMS marketing, booking and appointment, workflow automation, course and product. I mean, Kajabi is like $297 a month. You're basically getting it here, which is amazing. Call tracking, reputation management, tracking and analytics, communities. I mean, school is a bit hype up now, but these people are also launching communities, which is freaking amazing, right? Readable mobile app as well. By the way, if you do not know much about Go High Level, the core offer of Go High Level is you to have a white label SaaS brand which you can actually sell it to your subscribers, right? It's like having your own ClickFunnels by your own name, right? I can, for example, my business name is PB Digital, right? So I can take a plan of Go High Level and then add my label as PB Digital, my branding and my colors, and then can create an amazing software tool with just $497 a month, right? This is amazing and out of the world. I never heard of a tool that does so much for so less and so efficiently. The most important part of it, right? So once I white label it with that plan, I can go ahead and sell this to my subscribers, my followers, the businesses that I onboard for whatever money that I want to charge, right? You can go from $97 to $997 to 1,997. I mean, depends. Whatever you want to charge for your monthly subscription, you can charge, and you get to keep 100% of those profits, of those revenues for yourself. There is no commission, there is nothing that you need to give to go high level. And all these tools, all the uses, all the funnels, everything is unlimited. I mean, this is literally crazy compared to what ClickFunnels is offering at the moment. And I was stunned when I saw this almost 3 years ago. I was using Go High Level then. I was creating funnels and websites for our clients in Go High Level. And that's the reason why probably you will see we have 150 plus funnels and websites created. Actually, it's that 200 for our clients across 12 plus countries, right? And most of these people, almost 99% of these people are actually using Go High Level. We eventually shifted to a Go High Level only agency because we really want to master this software and provide the best value for the buck that clients provide us, right? So let me just take you through their plans, right? So they have different tier plans. In order to go to, so here you will see $97 to $97. You won't find the 497 because you need to first get into the $97 plan and then you can upgrade it to the $497 plan. Okay. $97. And I'll tell you which plan is suitable for what, right? For example, I'm a marketer and I do not want, or I'm a small business and I do not want, to provide any kind of SaaS services. I do not want to white label it. I do not want any subscribers to come join my SaaS, my own PB Digital. Then I don't need to, right? I only need to pay $97, right? That's it, $97, and I can have everything that this comparison chart has. Literally everything from scratch, just only for $97, right? This is something that no other business is providing you, right? So all the tools to capture more leads, nurturing and closing the customers, online booking. I mean, you can get rid of Calendly and 10 different tools if you're just using $97. That's it. Unlimited contacts, users, and yet there is no restriction on the number of users, the number of contacts, the number of accounts, the number of nothing, right? And one thing I'll tell you, that you think this $97 will give you one account? No. $97 will give you three accounts. You can create three accounts for yourself and you can literally manage three different businesses in these three different accounts for everything unlimited on all these three accounts just for $97, right? This is freaking amazing. And when you go to $297, this is where you can actually sell your plans and as a SaaS, and you can actually charge people money for that, right? Everything in the agency starter plan, API access, unlimited sub accounts, right? So basically, in the starter plan, you get three sub accounts for yourself. In the unlimited plan, you get unlimited sub accounts, right? It doesn't matter, 1,000, you will have it. Okay. And by the way, there are many businesses, agencies basically, who are on Go High Level have 2,000, 5,000 sub accounts, and it's truth. Okay, and the desktop app, this is freaking amazing, right? And when you click on it, you have joined the Go High Level. After this, you will be able to go ahead and upgrade to the $497 plan, where you can get everything. You can mark up whatever you're providing, because email, SMS, and all these things are going to be charged based on how many emails you can send, how many SMS you send, and you can actually mark that up. So every time somebody sends an email, and they are paying you, and they're getting a markup as well, because you need to pay that to go high level, right? But yeah, this is freaking amazing. And if you are a business, no matter if you just want to do it for yourself, or you want to be an agency or a SaaS business where you want to take hundreds or thousands of customers and then you want to sell them your own white label, Go High Level is the number one platform to go for. I mean, there is no comparison to it because I couldn't find any, so I couldn't recommend any, right? Because I want to be where the market is, I want to be where everyone is, and everyone is finding value in Go High Level. And I truly love this software. And I just don't love this software because of the software. There's one more thing that I really like it is because of the founders of Go High Level. These people value customers like anything, right? I remember one time there was some glitch in the funnel builder, because we do funnel building all the time. So there was a big glitch in funnel builder, and I just give a recommendation that if you could fix this, then there will be so many use cases. And Sean, who is the co-founder of this Go High Level, and Alex, and you have other co-founders too, but this guy who actually talks to a lot of people in the Facebook group, if you happen to join their Facebook group, this guy reached out to me and he said that this bug is fixed, right? So he remembered that I messaged him about a bug, about an improvement and enhancement, and when it was done, this guy came to me and he messaged me, and this was freaking amazing. I mean, who does that? This guy takes support questions in the Facebook group, which is never heard of. I mean, guys, they make millions of dollars every single month in cash flow, right? And still, the founder is so touched and so connected to his customer to the ground, which is amazing, right? They have amazing dev team. A lot of their team members are from India. By the way, I am from India, so you can be rest assured that they have one of the most amazing dev teams in the entire world. That's it, right? I mean, there is nothing that I could ask for better for $97 at least, right? You get nothing in $97 compared to the value these people are providing. So yeah, once again, guys, if you are thinking about which one should I buy, should I go for ClickFunnels and should I go for Go High Level, then it's a clear winner based on the features and the pricing that they are providing. And I have also, as I told you, the support people, the dev people, as well as these co-founders are freaking amazing. And this is my personal experience working with Go High Level for 3 years. And that's the reason why we had a Go High Level focused web design agency. So if you are someone that who you want to jump in into the Go High Level bandwagon, you want to use this tool as a number one marketing tool for your business, make sure that you click on the link below. It's an affiliate link to be transparent, and so that you can support this channel and also get some free, amazing free freaking templates, because we build amazing templates, and just amazing, right? So yeah, let me know if there's anything else that you want me to create in terms of videos. I'll actually create them and share it on YouTube very soon. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll come on the next video very soon. Take care.